Can you pronounce these 5 unusual bird names? Let's find out. Whippoorwill, a nocturnal bird named for its repeated eerie call, found mostly in North and Central America. Ptarmigan, a northern grouse with feathered feet and a silent P, lives in Arctic and alpine regions. Bustard, a large ground bird found in open grasslands and deserts across Europe, Africa, and Asia. Hoatzin, a tropical bird from the Amazon rainforest, famous for its clawed wings on its chicks. Courser, a swift, long-legged bird living in dry, open areas, like deserts and savannas in Africa and Asia. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments.